Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is quite a different setup than how I normally do my videos, but I am in front of my couch today with my sweet little girl. Oh, what happened to your ear, baby? Oh, come here, let me flop your ear back down. Oh, there you go. I'm here with Kiva today because we're doing a very fun, very cool video. Please do not mind the way that I look right now because I actually just got off work like 30 minutes ago and I went on and slapped the quickest makeup look I possibly could on my face, and I haven't done winged eyeliner in about 35 million years. So please don't come for me. I know they're awful. My eyeliner looks ridiculous, I'm sure, but yeah, I really wanted to film this because I just got this today and I was so excited about it. We're going to be doing the very first barkbox unboxing. Listen, I know this has nothing to do with beauty or makeup or anything like that, but since I got Kiva, I literally want to spoil the absolute crap out of her. I want to show you this because I saw some reviews on it a long time ago before I even had Kiva, and I always wanted to try it and see what it's like for reals, so that's what we're gonna do today. This may be like a once a month situation to where I sit down in front of my couch in more of like a vloggery style video and unbox this with my baby girl. Yes. But yeah, you guys, if you want to see what is inside this month's barkbox and maybe open this along with your dog if you have one, or just watch with your dog / cat if you have one. Ferret, all animals welcome here, but yeah, if you want to see what's in this month's barkbox, just keep on watching. And I do still have a Christmas pillow up right here. It's behind Kiva, it's right there, so I know that it's still a Christmas pillow. It's the first pillow that Raph ever bought me, and it's the first pillow that I ever bought for this apartment, or that Raph ever bought for this apartment, so it's pretty much gonna stay up there. And if you are new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. I know we're not makeup right now, but family. But as you can see here, it is still taped. I literally have no idea. Whenever you sign up for barkbox, this is not sponsored by the way, but whenever you sign up for barkbox, they have you do like a little informational thing about your puppy or about your dog. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Have you do like a little informational thing about your dog, and if it's like a big dog, small dog, stuff like that. They actually did give you the option to choose this month's theme or to do another theme. I liked this month's theme, but it wasn't my favorite. It was like the Oscars or something. It was like the dog Oscars, and I was like, yeah, give me another one, but let's go ahead and open this up. Apparently this comes with like toys, and okay, so I don't know what happened here. For some reason, it still says the Barkies. I don't know why, because I did choose to pick a different one. I don't know. That kind of sucks, man. I don't know. I choose a different theme for me because the Barkies wasn't my favorite theme, but I guess that's what we got. But it's not for me. It's for Kiva. She's gonna be the one it goes to, so it only matters if she likes it. But here is a little sneak peek here, and the first thing that I see on top, oh, it's a little rose, like a little bouquet rose. How cute. It's a bouquet of roses. Look at that, and it's, oh, it's got a squeaker in there too, but it's got the crinkly bits. We'll see if she likes that. Oh, look at this. This is cute. Oh god, they all squeak. This also seems to be another little crunchy toy, and it is a little tuxedo, and then if you flip it over to this side, it's a little diamond necklace. Kiva, you want your necklace, honey? Oh, she likes her flower though, look at that. She's like super into that flower. Maybe that'd be really good for her. She's still teething, and that does seem to have like quite a sturdy base on it, so hopefully that'll help her teeth. But this is really crunchy as well, so I think she'll probably like both of these. Oh, there's one more toy in here. Huh. Oh, okay, so this is, I think, meant to be the award. This is the Barky Award. This is so cute. I'm not too mad at this box. It's a lot cuter than I thought. Again, it has the crunchies. She's gonna be obsessed with this bit at the bottom. She loves to rip out the fuzz on the rug, and so she's gonna be obsessed with this. And does this ball may come off, but I'm not gonna take it off. But this is actually really cute. Let's see if she likes this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh man, she loves that rose though. Like she really, really likes that rose. Man, they all have squeakers. Oh my goodness. She actually does like it. I'm really excited that she likes both of them so far. She doesn't really care much about this because she's so enthralled by the rest of her things. Now we have some treats here. So this is a duck and mango all natural chew. Oh, this is fun. Duck, chickpea flour, pea flour, coconut, glycerin, mango, brewer's yeast, salt, turmeric, lactic acid, and citric acid. So it doesn't have anything like corn, wheat, or anything like that. This is really nice. We'll see if she likes this a little bit later. And then it looks like we have 2 treat bags right here, and this one, ooh, it actually feels really nice. It's kind of like a soft touch packaging. This one is the noms for the nominations for the Lammies. Lamb recipe dog treats with cranberries. Oh my goodness. Let's see what she thinks. These are a bit big for her. So here's what they look like. And here's what the little bag looks like. Look how cute this is. Like they really go all out for these. Like I'm actually not mad about this box. Oh, she can already smell it. I'm gonna break it off into like a little piece for her first. Yeah, do you like that, baby? We'll give you a little bit more and then we'll oh, she's really into it. Here you go. Oh, I'm glad you like it, baby. Oh, yay, I'm so glad you like it. Is it a little chewy for you? She still has her baby teeth, so some things are a little bit too hard for her. Oh, she's got it, she's just fine. And then the other one, this last one, oh, okay, great. On the back here, I didn't even see this. On the back, it says, so like wheat-free, corn-free, wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. And it says all natural, grain-free, and 100% mouth-watering. So yeah, it looks like it has like real ingredients in here, and definitely nothing bad for your dog. So that makes me very happy. Same with this one. And this one right here is Best Picture. That's so cute. Pork recipe dog treats with apple. Look at that. Very cool. Let's see what she thinks of these. So they're still the same shape, still the same situation. Let's see what she thinks of these ones. Up, up. Good girl, baby. You like that one too? Yeah, I'm super excited. She likes all of them. I'm not gonna give her the rest of them just because they are quite big treats. She's normally eating ones that are like this big. You guys, that has been the BarkBox. I'm actually really excited. I think it was $25 because I did do a 6-month subscription. So I think it's 30 bucks if you do a month to month, but it was $25 with a 6-month subscription. So I'm so excited and I'm really happy. Actually, I wanna say this was like a free toy that you get when you sign up for these 6 months. I think she still smells the treats. But yeah, you guys, it's actually really cute. I'm not mad about this box, even though I did request to get a different theme. I'm really glad that she likes the toys. You're looking for more treats, aren't you? Yeah, she's looking for more treats. What? You hide your treats, baby. I don't want you to get too full. You're only like 1 pound. Actually, I don't know how much she weighs, maybe 2 pounds, I don't know. But as I was saying, this is actually really cute and I'm not mad about the box theme, even though I did request a different one. I'm actually not mad about it. It's a lot cuter than I thought that it was going to be, so I definitely judged a book by its cover before I actually got the box. But I'm very pleasantly surprised and I'm super excited about it. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be the video for today. I know, definitely a little bit different, but we'll be back later with your regular scheduled programming of makeup and beauty and all that jazz. But yeah, you guys, it's gonna be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!